And now some more news from the United States. Amid Donald Trump government tightening immigration laws, a new visa rule has now come into place for foreign students. Remember, it has been proposed by the U.S. Department of Homeland Security. Now, viewers, the proposed new restrictions could limit the flexibility of international students who are studying on F-1 visas in the U.S. And as per the new rule, undergraduate students would not be allowed to change their programs, majors or education levels while they are in the first year of their study. However, there will be exceptions to this rule we are given to understand. Now, let's take a quick look at what's changing under these new rules. First up, F-1 undergraduate students are not eligible to transfer universities within 1 year of joining school. Second up, F-1 students are not eligible for multiple masters or multiple degrees at the same level of education without going out and getting a new visa for the same. In fact, students can stay here, which is US, for 30 days instead of 60 days after OPT time period. Further, F-1 master students are not eligible for program changes or university at all. In fact, the duration of F-1 visa is maximum 4 years. After that, one has to leave the country and get stamped again to continue on F-1 visa. Now, this new rule here proposes to replace the current duration of the status system with a fixed period of admission for F-1 student visas. And in fact, any extensions within those 4 years can be done only through USCIS as well as visa stamping. So this is essentially what the new rules are now proposing with regard to F-1 student visa. And in fact, if your total study duration for a BS, MS or a PhD program exceeds 4 years, you will need a new F-1 visa stamp outside the United States. So those are the new rules and the changes that have been proposed in regard to the F-1 US student visa.